Indulge your culinary dreams with the Breville BV900XL Smart Oven, a kitchen masterpiece that ignites your passion for cooking. This convection countertop oven is your loyal sous chef, promising high performance and versatility. The Breville Smart Oven, armed with the Element IQ system, empowers you to create culinary magic. Picture this, a speedy 1-800-watt preheat that races against the clock, ensuring your meals hit the table faster. Its convection setting is like a gentle whisper in your ear, reducing cooking time by a miraculous 30%. With 9 enchanting cooking functions: toast, bagel, bake, roast, broil, pizza, cookies, reheat, and warm, it's your culinary canvas. The large 18.5 by 15.7 by 11.1 inch interior space is perfect for toasting 6 slices of bread, a 6-cup muffin tray, or a 13-inch pizza. Your creations emerge perfectly golden. As you gaze at the LCD display, the magic unfolds. It's more than a kitchen tool, it's an artist's palette. For $269, this isn't just an oven, it's a gateway to culinary nirvana. Meet the June Life Oven Plus Gourmet Package, a culinary marvel that redefines the way we cook and savor food. With over 200 smart automatic cook programs, the June Oven takes the guesswork out of meal preparation. Its carbon fiber heating elements allow you to create dishes 35% faster without the need for preheating. Imagine succulent salmon in just 9 minutes or a perfectly seared steak in 12 minutes. June's precision food thermometer ensures that your meals are cooked to perfection, down to the last degree. The roomy interior can accommodate an 11 by 16-inch pan, a 10-pound turkey, or a 12-inch pizza, making it a versatile kitchen companion. Control it from anywhere, using your device or Alexa, and watch your food with live video feeds. Moreover, the June Oven replaces 7 appliances in one, saving you money and space. It's your convection oven, air fryer, dehydrator, slow cooker, broiler, toaster, and warming drawer, all rolled into one sleek package. Embrace the future of cooking for $999 and transform your kitchen into a culinary wonderland. The Ninja DT251 Foodie is not just an appliance, it's a culinary revelation. With true surround convection, it boasts 10 times the convection power of traditional ovens, delivering faster, crispier, and juicier results that will leave your taste buds dancing. Its 10 versatile functions, from air frying to dehydrating, make it a kitchen powerhouse, and the integrated Foodie Smart Thermometer ensures you achieve culinary perfection with just a touch of a button. With a lightning-fast 90-second preheat and up to 30% faster cooking, it's perfect for quick family meals. And when it comes to health-conscious cooking, the Ninja Foodie doesn't disappoint. It can fry with up to 75% less fat compared to traditional deep frying, and its digital display handle ensures you stay in control. The price is $199. Discover the Breville BV900BS, the epitome of culinary innovation and emotion in a countertop oven. This is not just any kitchen appliance, it's a culinary companion that sparks joy and convenience in every meal. The Element IQ system, boasting 6 independent quartz elements, orchestrates power with precision, eliminating cold spots for evenly cooked, mouth-watering dishes. Its super convection technology shaves off 30% of cooking time, guaranteeing speedy yet flawless results. With a selection of 13 cooking functions, from toasting to slow cooking and even dehydrating, the possibilities are endless. Air fry your favorite snacks to golden perfection or effortlessly roast a 14-pound turkey. The extra-large interior, measuring 21.5 by 17.1 by 12.7 inches, accommodates 9 slices of bread or a 5-quart Dutch oven. Breville BV900BS is not just an oven, it's an emotional investment in the art of cooking. For $399, it's the ultimate kitchen upgrade that will redefine the way you experience food. Discover a culinary masterpiece in the NUWAVE Bravo air fryer oven. It's not just an appliance, it's a symphony of flavor and precision, designed to make your cooking experience an emotional journey. The Bravo oven offers unparalleled control, allowing you to make adjustments on the fly. Whether you crave a hotter temperature or need a bit more cooking time, it's at your fingertips. Its intuitive digital controls are a joy to use, letting you fine-tune time and temperature with ease. Linear thermal technology is the secret behind Bravo's consistent perfection. It tirelessly monitors temperature fluctuations, making real-time adjustments to ensure your meals come out just right. With dual heat zones, customize the top and bottom heaters independently, making crispy, cheesy, perfection an art. Bravo's integrated smart digital thermometer ensures your dishes reach their desired doughness. Priced at just $170, this kitchen marvel empowers you to create mouth-watering dishes with ease. That just finished our video. Which one is your favorite? Why not let us know in the comments below, and if you enjoyed the video, give us a like. If you want to see more high-quality videos, make sure to hit that subscribe button and you'll get the latest videos straight to your mailbox. That way, you'll never miss a future upload. See you in the next video.